New client walkthrough for daily janitorial services.
I got to see what we're going to do with this because this is a special flooring. I may have it pulled up and then we can just clean the carpet, or I'll let you know. But right now, just include it, but I may pull this one out.
All right.
Okay? Because we got that kind of going on in a couple areas. All that stuff will be pulled out of here.
Okay.
For sure, this one and this one. Okay.
And you said you want these rugs clean.
Yep.
Like, do you mean shampooed?
Shampooed, yeah.
Got you. And will they be all rugs?
Yeah, all these carpets and all these rooms, yes. We're going to get this stuff out of here.
Okay.
This one.
Hang on.
Okay, and for far as the windows,
Yep.
you want them clean as well?
Yep.
Inside and out?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then I want the whole floor, just do we get these, Jesse, do we get these floors cleaned or not?
They're supposed to. The list I printed out is all the things they're supposed to do.
But I'm just right now talking to him about the one-time cleaning.
Okay.
When I want the carpets all shampooed, etc.
Call S.N.M Cleaning Service for all of your commercial janitorial needs in Nashville, Tennessee and Atlanta, Georgia.